Owls don't hunt at night by accident. They own the dark. Subscribe before this gets terrifying. Here's the wild truth. Owls are built to kill in silence. Their feathers shred the sound, making them nearly silent in flight. No warning, no footsteps, just gone. And their heads? They rotate up to 270 degrees without cutting off blood flow. They hear prey under leaves, snow, even darkness. By the time you sense them, it's already over. That silence at the start? Yeah, that wasn't calm. That was the attack.